Automatic bridging is finally here. I know this took way too long, but I've finally got a version that I'm happy enough to share with you guys for testing out. So let's check it out. If I come to my desktop here, double click on this bridged UI, it opens up this little window here, which creates your bridges for you. And what you can do is click import and import one of the layers of your stencils. So if you used Wicked Stencil Plugin to create all of your stencil layers, you can export them one by one into a little folder. And I've got a few here that I can try out. So let's try this Frankenstein stencil here. And it loads up into this little preview window so you can see how it creates the bridges. And on the right, we can see a whole bunch of options that I'll go through. First one is the number of bridges. At the moment, it goes up to 3, but we can always add more later if you need them. I'm just going to use 1 for the moment. And then the next one is the thickness, which you will need to adjust depending on how big or small your image is. I'm going to leave it fairly big just so you can see how the stencil bridges look. Now the first setting here is we have the connect small islands. What this does is it connects the islands within your image. So here I can see 1, 2, 3, 4. If we click on that, it should connect those. And it does for the most part. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, and it also connects all of the other small little islands you can see within the image. The next one is the bridge to mainland. What that does is it connects the outer portion of your stencil to the inner islands. So if we click on that, you can see that it's done it super quickly. That was one of the biggest features that was an issue in previous versions, is that it's just way too slow, especially when you have to work through like 10 different stencil layers. If it took more than like 30 seconds, it was out. This one, bam, super quick. And then the third option here we have is it does both of those functions. And I think you'll probably use this one the most because you probably want to connect the islands and the outer portion all together, right? You want a super strong stencil when you go to cut them out. So let's click on that. And it's connected all of those. Now, of course, if you feel like that's not enough bridges, you want a few more, you can always click on 2, combine mode, and bam, you've got a few extra bridges to all of those little islands, and it is super quick. I can't believe how quick it is. That's the part that I'm so happy about. So I know what you're asking now. Where can I get this? Well, if you're a member of the channel, I want to test out with the members first. Before we roll it out to everyone, because if there are some issues with installation or it doesn't work, or there's always issues somewhere, then at least with a small amount of people we can figure them out before we share this with everyone. And especially before I go and take this and put it into the Photoshop Wicked Stencil Plugin, I want to make sure it works really well. Well, it's in the members only area. I've created a new folder called the Bridge software. If you double click on that, there's 2 folders here. One is for the Windows installation. The other is for the Mac installation. So just to let you guys know, we've tested the Mac installation because I don't have a Mac. I asked one of the members to do that for me. And he had a few security things pop up. Just because this wasn't actually created by Mac itself, or it wasn't certified with their certificates. I'm not a programmer, I don't know how any of that stuff works, but we managed to find a way to get it to Mac as well. So, use it at your own discretion, I guess. So, hopefully you guys have no problems installing it. Test it out. Let me know if you guys think it's cool, if it's all good, and then we can start working on putting it into the Photoshop plugin. And then another thing I realized while I was creating this is that it's actually super easy to create our own app outside of Photoshop. So that way we don't even need Photoshop anymore. We don't need to pay those pesky monthly fees, which would be awesome. And then we can create our own application that does everything we need just for stencil artists. And I think one of the biggest features I want that Photoshop can't even do is export SVG files. For me, when I create a new tool that helps you guys out, it makes everything worthwhile. Like, that's what I live for, to help you guys become amazing artists. Please download this, test it out, start creating bridges on all your stencil layers. Hopefully it helps and makes the whole process so much easier for you. Let me know how it goes, and I'll see you guys in the next video with heaps more awesome stuff for you guys. Till then, see you later.